Hey everyone, Bumblebee217 here, and if you're following me on Instagram, you may know that I was making the entirety of MoonKnight, the Disney Plus series, into a movie, and I was posting a lot of updates. And the project took a week, so yeah. So as you can see, I'm in Premiere. Show it off. It was kind of hard to do with all the how to combine all the episodes. I don't know. It was kind of confusing on how to do it all, but I trimmed it all down into I think a movie that would be enjoyable to watch, to me at least. So yeah. So here is the so in the description there will be a link to Google Drive, and here it is. I put it into Google Drive. It took a lot of storage, but yeah, here it is. And to watch it, or you can either watch it or download it. And to watch it, if you're on your phone, um, you have to have the Google Drive app. That app, and then I think if you just like click the link, it'll let you go to it. I don't know. I haven't tried that. But the other way to do it is the other way to do it on your phone is to just download it into your files if you have an iPhone or Android. I don't even know if you could do it on Android, but I know that you can do it on iPhone because I tested it out on my phone and it did work. It played, so yeah. And it should go in your downloads and your files on your phone, on iPhone at least. And then for a computer, to watch it, again, you have to have the Google Drive app. So if I trying to find it, so if I go into Google Drive, the app, says it's already running, but if I go into here, I think that's where it is. This is my Google Drive. I click on it, and here it is. So I think that's what it should do for all computers. I'm on Windows, so I don't know about Mac, but I think it should be kind of like the same for Mac, hopefully. And then to download it, you just go down here. It's accessible to download, so you can download it if you want to if you just want to watch it off it, not on Google Drive. So yeah, I think yeah. And then go back here. And then, oh yeah, if you don't believe me that I actually did do it, here's all the episodes. I spent about 6 hours screen recording, which to get all the footage to get together and then make it into the 3-hour movie. And I think it turned out really, really good, and I'm really proud of the results, and I'm super excited to release this video and actually share it, because I've been working on it for a while now, and I'm just super, super excited to show it. And yeah, so if you want to watch this, you can go down in the description, click the link, do what Google Drive stuff, do the Google Drive whatever, and also my Instagram will probably be down there. So if you have not yet followed me on Instagram, you should go follow me on Instagram, because I post a lot of I posted a lot of updates on this project on there. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy if you plan on watching it, and I hope you have a wonderful day.